liters. Baka agbusin nyo naman ito.
Tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around. It's too
Actually, meron kami medical, surgical, humanitarian mission ngayon sa Baybay, and they are catering to about 200 patients. Ang nagpalista sa amin is 120 major operation, tapos mga 200 yung minor. But they are undergoing now the minor operation surgeries. They have a problem because of the first, ang medicine nila hindi dumating on time. They arrived in Baybay ahead of the medicine because na-delay doon sa LBC, sa CRS, na-delay. And then second, yung anesthesiologist nila hindi makapunta sa Baybay, he is in Samar. So I offered to them that if we get a private anesthesiologist, the city will pay 1/2 of the professional fee and the other half will be paid by this group. The head of this delegation is Dr. Andres, Dr. Fabito, and they are about 38 of them. Dr. Palermo is from Baybay, Rino Palermo Jr. is from Baybay. So he was the one responsible for bringing these doctors to Baybay. I'm very thankful to them, of course, because this is a good chance for the poor people of Baybay to be treated, lalo na surgery, kasi mahal ang surgery dito sa probinsya. So this is a good chance na makatulong sa mga mahihirap. Maraming salamat, maraming salamat. At sana meron pang mas marami pang dadating. Thank you.
Masakit ito ha. Sakit. So, gagawin pa.
Kasi galing kami sa iba-ibang lugar ng US. Illinois, Texas, Las Vegas. Actually, ano lang namin ito eh. Naisip lang namin ito pagkatapos ng Yolanda. Kaya we were able to get some volunteers and we were able to talk to Dr. Palermo, kay Mayor. So here we are. We arrived yesterday and we will be staying here up to Thursday. Gusto lang namin makatulong din sa mga ating mga mahal na kababayan at matulungan sila.
Go ahead, Doc. What do you think about your medical mission and the problems that comes along with this medical mission?
The medical surgical mission of Texas has conducted this mission for the lady in short notice because of Typhoon Yolanda. And we normally make preparations, long preparations, like about a year of preparation for the conduct of medical and surgical mission. But in this case, we have about 6 weeks of preparation. Not enough to send our supplies, not enough to really gather the complete team for the surgical mission. But we do the best we can in order to help the people of Leyte. And the volunteers are really a big tribe. All these people here, we try to procure all the medications in the Philippines, so that it'll be a lot easier for us to deliver them to the destination where we're going. And in this particular instance, in Baybay Leyte, and as we passed from Tacloban to Baybay, we saw a lot of destruction, a lot of devastation that you can still see on the highway. And it just breaks our heart to see the people and to see the total destruction along the highway. And it makes a lot of people really think that they need to consider trying to volunteer and help the people of Leyte. In this particular instance, in Baybay, Leyte.